I am not jumping through hoops, trying to meet you places all far. I'm not doing that. Hey guys, what was that? No, start over. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday. That is the reason why my face is fully made up, but I took my church clothes off and put my house clothes back on because we're home. Ethan has to be seen. You gonna say something?
No.
So, it is President's Day weekend. So the boys are out of school tomorrow. I'm off from work tomorrow. The boys are also off on Tuesday for parent-teacher conferences. So it's a long weekend for them. So with that being said, I'm going out to dinner tonight since they don't have school tomorrow. Couldn't make it happen last night, so couldn't make it happen last night, so we're going to make it happen tonight. The apartment is a complete mess though. You guys know we're moving and the sitter knows that we're moving, so she's cool with being here in all the chaos, but I do want to clean up as much as I can so that she can maneuver. So my last video was actually a cleaning, not really a cleaning video, but kind of a cleaning video. So I haven't talked to you all since my last vlog, and I had my birthday. I turned 30. I turned 30 on February 8th. So yeah, my birthday was really, really chill. I went out to dinner, and I will put in a little bits and clips here. That was my birthday. Super simple. I with the schmanorama and with moving, it was just really difficult to plan something really big. I just have too many financial obligations right now. I have too many actual daily task things that I need to do, because work is not stopping, taking care of the kids is not stopping, none of that stuff is stopping. So yeah, I didn't really do anything special, just went out to dinner. So that was fun. We are moving on Friday. Today is Sunday. We're moving on Friday. I did hire movers, so actually moving, I'm not going to be doing a lot of that stuff myself. I'm just going to be pointing and delegating, which is what I wanted. I am cringing thinking about the bill for the movers, but at the same time, I am glad that I'm not going to have to actually move anything. I'm not going to have to worry about it, and everything will be moved. You know what I mean? So everything will be moved. I won't be, I won't be getting odds and ends at the last minute. The only thing that I'm leaving here on purpose is cleaning supplies, so that I can clean the apartment once everything is out, and then my carpet cleaner and my vacuum, just to get the apartment back clean so that we can get our security deposit back. And I don't know if I'm gonna film that or not, but we'll see. Actually, yeah, I probably will film that. So yeah, I have about an hour worth of cleaning that I need to do like right now to get ready for the sitter. It's mostly just like moving things to areas where they're kind of out of the way. I'm gonna try to do my best to preserve this makeup. I literally put this makeup on at 5:30 in the morning and it's after 1 o'clock now, so it's looking a little greasy. But anyway, so that is the update. I am going to get started with getting this place somewhat together because it is chaos. I think I'm going to start in the boys' room. Yeah, she's not going to need to be in here at all since we got rid of the TV in here.
Are you with me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I'm taking a picture with you.
Oh.
Well, let's take a picture.
Okay.
I just wanna get lost. Pour it down, just pour it down. You stay home and be nice. Boy, I will be gone all night. I am fine by myself, 'cause I won't be here alone. No, you don't know what you got. You don't know until it's gone. You don't know what I am worth. Your words are like bullets now. Sometimes they hurt. I stay high when bullets fly. Out of reach, won't be coming down. I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till it ends. You got a chip on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend. Yeah, we are alright, alright. We'll spend another night, I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till this ends. You got a chip on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend. Yeah, we are alright, alright. We'll spend another night. I just wanna get lost. It's the only thing I wanna do. I wanna forget where I came from, where there's no getting over you. I am fine by myself, 'cause I won't be here alone. No, no. You don't know what you got. You don't know until it's gone. You don't know what I am worth. Your words are like bullets now. Sometimes they hurt. I stay high when bullets fly. Out of reach, won't be coming down. I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till it ends. You got a chip on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend. Yeah, we are alright, alright. I won't spend another night, I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till this ends. You got a chip on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend. Yeah, we are alright, alright. I won't spend another night, a night. I can't wait till it's over. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't wait till it's over. Alright. Can't wait till it's over.
Hey guys, it's much later and I am fresh out the shower. I decided to take a shower, but I didn't refresh my makeup. It's my ID card from when I when I was a freshman in undergrad. Oh my gosh. What was my hair doing? So I decided not to take my makeup off. I'm just going to refresh it. I tried to avoid my face while I was in the shower. But the steam, I feel like, did something. I don't know, it may have just made me more greasy. But I am going to, this is not the best lighting. And yes, I have a pimple. I'm going to just refresh. By doing a light coating of powder, and which ironic is I'm going to use this setting mist again. Let me hold on. After I just matted my face down, I'm gonna spray it down again. But all right, and then just gonna, why do I keep picking up the empty one? I'm probably the nicest Facebook marketplace seller ever. People, I mean, the first few items I sold, it was people just came and picked it up and I didn't have too many issues, but these last couple items have been a pain to coordinate with people, get them to pick it up. And my thing is, I've priced these things so incredibly low. Oof. I've priced these things so incredibly low. I am not jumping through hoops, trying to meet you places all far. I'm not doing that. Because, somebody else will buy it that will just come pick it up. I don't have time. Not that I don't have to. No, I actually don't have time. But what's wrong? Okay, he's being dramatic. Yeah, I don't have time, and this stuff is so incredibly cheap for what it is. You need to come pick it up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm basically giving it away. So, I don't think I like how this shirt is laying. I have on high-waisted pants. I think I should put on a bodysuit with this instead.
Now I'm recording a video.
Hey guys, it's the next day and I am in the middle of it. We went to the moving company that we're using. We went to their warehouse or whatever to pick up boxes. So that's where all those boxes came from. I'm in the middle of getting this kitchen packed up. As you can see, it is all pretty empty except for these glasses up here, which I'm going to take down and get ready to pack up. I am taking these glasses, but I'm not taking these plates or these bowls. I need to figure out what I am going to do with. I'm taking these though. These wooden bowls. I love these. These plates and bowls are from IKEA and they are all scratched up. So, and I bought some paper plates from Target so that we could just use the paper plates. I'm gonna pack these up because I love these also. And then I just have this and everything else is empty. So the kitchen is pretty much done. except for this pantry. I've been using the top of the refrigerator. I have completely emptied all of these. And here's what's left of the can cabinet, which was down here.
Mommy, I got a free game.
You got a free game?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, free game.
All right.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high.